So you the Ebonyi estate and your packet, they shout N50,000 but only calm down, because today I go show you how to turn that small money into real hustle that pays. Let's go straight, no long talk. Number 1, street food business. Forget big kitchen. With just N50K, you fit start small. Akara and pop joint or fried yam and egg corner near school or junction. People must chop. Add small branding, clean apron, smile, and boom, customers go line up. Number 2, recharge card and data reselling. You no need shop, just your phone and small capital. Buy VTU app like Club Connect or Easy Mobile. Sell data and airtime to people around you. Add N20, N50 profit per sale. It adds up fast. Number 3, liquid soap and detergent production. Simple to learn, cheap to start. You fit even learn free on YouTube. Produce and supply to restaurants, barbers, and schools. People always need soap. Clean business, clean money. Number 4, thrift clothes business. Okrika. Go to Abakaliki main market. Buy bill pics, wash and rebrand them. Snap fine pictures. Post for WhatsApp and Facebook. Ebonyi youths love soft fashion on budget. Number 5, phone accessories vendor. Buy chargers, earpiece, screen guards in bulk from Lagong. Sell at schools, junctions, or online. Students always spoil charger every week. You go cash out steady. Before you say N50K too small, remember it's not the money that's small, it's the mindset that is matters. Start small, grow fast. Ebonyi, no go dull. You, if you stay consistent. If you like this kind of smart hustle, just hit subscribe. More business ideas, they come your way. So you the Ebonyi estate, your account balance, they whisper like church offering, N50K only. Calm down my guy, that small money fit turn to big hustle if you get sense. Let's scatter this matter one by one. Number 1, akara and pop business. CN, hunger now they go out of fashion. With just N50K, you fit set small stand, fry akara where they burst brain. Serve with chill pop. Add small packaging, use nylon cup, smile and say customer welcome. Oh, before you know now you go they feed the neighborhood. Number 2, data and airtime reseller. Everybody they shout data no they last. Be the plug. Just download VTU app like Club Connect or Easy Mobile. Use your N50K, buy small stock, resell with N20, N50 profit per person. If you sell to 50 people, that's your daily bread plus groundnut. Number 3, liquid soap and detergent production. Cheap to learn, clean to earn. With N20K, you fit buy materials, the rest for packaging. You go wash money, literally. Sell to saloons, schools, and your church people. Na steady market. Number 4, okrika thrift business. Omo, this one day hot. Go Abakaliki main market. Pick fine clothes from bale. Wash wear small for photo. Post for WhatsApp and TikTok. Before you know customers go they shout, babe, keep that one for me. Oh. Number 5, phone accessories business. You see chargers and earpiece? Not like pure water. People they buy every day. Buy in bulk from Onitsha. Sell around schools or offices. And 50K fit start, I'm small. And 5K profit fit and enter your hand. Steady. Now listen, my guy, don't wait for government to remember you. Start with what you get. N50K, no be curse. Seed. Water with consistency and watch grow. Ebonyi no dry, na mindset dry. Wake up, start small, and turn that N50K into your success story. If you like this kind of hustle gist, subscribe before you go chop rice.